Okay, folks, section 7.5, circle graph, Zachary. A circle graph represents data as parts of a circle. So the entire circle is the whole, okay? The parts of the circle are labeled as fractions, decimals, or percents, okay? Because the entire circle graph represents one unit, the sum of all parts must be 1, or 100%. 1 equals 100%, right? 1.00, that's 1, right? If I want to change it to a percent, I move the decimal point 2 places to the right and add my percent sign. 1 equals 100%. Okay. All right. Now, the measure of an entire circle is 360 degrees. To make a circle graph, you need to find the measure of each part's angle. For example, to find 30% of a circle, find 30% of 360 degrees. Do we know how to find what is 30% of 360 degrees? How would we do that, Jenna? Oh, I'm sorry. It moved while I was writing. All right.
30 on top of the 100.
Okay, 30 on top of the 100.
360 on the left bottom.
360 on the left bottom, and X there. So now we're going to get 30 times 360. Who can give that to me? You've got a calculator in front of you. What is 30 times 360? Zachary?
10,800.
10,800. But then we're going to divide by 100, and the zeros cancel out, don't they? And they give us 108. But you know what? I can also say, well, wait a minute. Of means multiply, and 30% is the same thing as 0.30. So I can just multiply 0.30 times 360 to tell me how many degrees. Okay? Do that on your calculator. Multiply, well, wait a minute. Instead of doing that, because we know the answer is 108, tell me, what's 40% of 360 degrees? Instead of using the is over of, use the decimal. Aiden, what'd you get? 144? 0.40 times 360 is equal to 144 degrees. Okay? Now, I'm going to get rid of, well, no, I'm not going to get rid of all this writing. It looks like we know something. Let me scoot down here. Okay? Now, example number 1 says, drawing a diagram. You are planting an orchard that has 24 apple trees, 20 peach trees, 16 cherry trees, 12 apricot trees, and 8 plum trees. Nice. Yeah. Now you're planting orchards. Good job. A circle graph can be used to organize this data. What are the angle measures in the circle graph? Now look, they've given us the circle graph, right? And they've said that peach is 25%. They went ahead and gave us the percents. Here's what they want us to do. They want us to find out how many degrees are in each of these angles, where apples are 108 degrees. Who can tell me what number of degrees plums are? How can I find out how many degrees that is? Aiden?
10% divided by, lining it up.
I want us to use that decimal multiply.
Oh.
Let's do that because it's going to be faster for us. What would we do? 0.10 times 360. What is that? Someone tell me. Jenna?
36.
36. So this is 36 degrees. Nice job. Who can do the apricots for me? Barrett? 0.15 times what? No. 0.15 times what? 360. And how many degrees is that? 54 degrees. Let's see if we can finish this. Wait, I need to put my little degree sign there. Okay? 54 degrees. Okay? Now, who can figure out peaches for me? What did you get? Elizabeth?
90.
I'm sorry, 90?
Yes.
Excellent. 90 degrees. And who can figure out cherries for me? Emma?
72.
72 degrees. Great job, and I'm running out of time.